Hey Monarchs! I'm at Davis Memorial Library, where many students find time to study and get the help that they need on their assignments. We are so excited for you to join us soon, but before you do, there are a few easy steps for you to complete. I'll be walking you through the Monarch Way, our easy-to-follow onboarding checklist of what you need to complete before the first day of classes. However, it's highly recommended you start completing this checklist now to start off on the right foot. To begin, you need to visit the MyMU portal at mymu.methodist.edu. Head over to the gold bar and click the Monarch Way tab. There, you'll be able to see all of the onboarding tasks you'll need to complete before the first day of class. Under Tasks to Complete, you can see exactly what needs to be done for each task by clicking the hand on each task. As you complete tasks, you'll be able to check your progress by reviewing the tracker to the right side of the web page. If you see a red X, that task still needs to be completed. If you see a green check mark, you're good to go on that task. As you scroll down, you can see a few more areas, including your admissions tracker, some useful links, and a list of immunization requirements. You want to make sure you see all green checks before the first day of class. One last thing, Monarchs. To find out who your academic and career advisor is, go to the Student Home tab on the gold bar. Under the Advisor information box on the right, you can see who your academic and career advisor is. This is your main contact when it comes time to register for classes, work on your degree, and career advisement. If you ever need help on the MyMU portal, feel free to reach out to your academic and career advisor or contact portalhelp@methodist.edu. We are so excited for you to join us soon. Go Monarchs!